Hello black boxers, welcome back. This is FK. Today we will be looking at pound card. As you can see, it is time to buy pound card. It is time to buy pound card. As you can see, this is pound card on the monthly time frame. So you can see it on FX CM. You can check it out for yourself. What do you see here? We have the black box, right? Let me zoom in. Right there. We have the black box. What happened here? This thing broke out. This thing broke out right there. So what do you do here? You buy. You buy. There is no hesitation. There is nothing. There is nothing that you gotta do. The only thing you gotta do is buy and determine your TP. As you can see, I have put my TP right there. The TP is the height of this black box right there. So the black box extends to here because we had a previous black box. As you can see, this is a previous black box. And what happened in this particular scenario, we have the third model happened here. Okay, what is the third model? Let me show you what the third model is here. Okay, this is the third model, right? Let me bring it down there so you can see it. As you can see, that's the third model. Let me put it on a white background. You are seeing it, right? So third model means it is a single fakeout. It's a freaking single fakeout, and that is what happened. Okay, that is what happened, right? As you can see, this was a black box. This thing broke down. If you could sell right there, sell that thing, stop loss below your entry, and then this thing smashed up, right? So what happened here is then retraced back to the highs, which is we are now bullish. We are very bullish. So that is the third model. Let me turn it off because the computer is making noise. It is making noise. As you can see, what happened here? So right there is where you buy. This is buying time. This is a buying time, no joke about it. Where is the TP? The TP is the head of this box, right there. As a box. That is the TP. Where is this tip? The tip is at 1.75207. Right there is your first TP. What do you do there? You take partials. Take partials. Either half, either 70%. Take the share out and let the other continue by trailing your stop up, right? Trailing your stop up right there. So this is a monthly scenario for the card. The other thing that we want to see is we are looking for TP3. As you can see, I have pointed it to TP3. TP3 is found right there. Let me put it right up. As TP3, that is 1.8, roughly 1.8, right there. That's big number. That's a huge number. That is where the price could potentially make some kind of wick and then continue moving up. Why? Because we are inside the bigger black box right there. Is a bigger third model of the black box right there. This is a bigger black box. Let me go to the 3 months time frame and let me show you. You will be amazed. You will be amazed, flabbergasted. As you can see here. So what did we have? We had a black box right there. Okay. We do not sell until this lower or the higher bands are broken. So in this case, nothing changed. But right there, something changed. Right there, something changed. This thing broke. You sell that thing. And what do? Let me copy this thing and place it here. Right. Let us reverse this thing. Right. So you would see that TP3 has been hit. TP2, I'm sorry. Right there. TP3, even TP3 right there, that's crazy ass. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Let me use some horizontal line here and you will be amazed. Crazy. I'm holding shift to make it horizontal. As you can see, that's crazy. TP3 nailed it. Look what the candle did. bro, it's crazy. And look at this thing. Then TP1 will be out right there. Right there, TP around there, TP1. 50% or half partials or something, 30% of right there. Partials. Take partials at TP1. I'm telling you, you'll regret it. Take partials at TP1. And then what happened here? And then continued, right? So stop loss below your entry. Look where it went to TP3, and you will trail your stop loss. You do not wait for something to happen. You trail your stop. You take action. Right? So what that is how it will go down with a black box. Black boxers know this shit. Black boxers know what to do, right? So you gotta know too. As you can see here, so this is a bigger third model, right? It's a third model, the thing that I have showed you earlier, and then this thing retracing to where? To the black box. Okay, once this thing starts to break the upper band, what we're gonna do is we will be getting ready to do what? To buy again. One, we have the previous black box, another we have the bigger black box. That is the one that decides the fate of this thing, right? The fate of this below pass to potentially 2.05, right? This is pound cut 2.05, double the amount. But now, for now, like for 3 months or more, we will be approaching this line. I already told you on Bitcoin that you gotta buy Bitcoin, and no one listened, and look where it went. It went to the all-time high. It went to an all-time high, near $70,000, right there at the peak. Now it retraced. Okay, so I'm not saying that I am right all the time. I'm just saying that the black box is crazy. It's crazy. Black boxers know that the black box is crazy. It is crazy. So let me show you here. So one thing breaks like the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin was the fourth model, but in this case we have the third model. On pound card. And when the third model is released, when the gate is open, there is nothing that can stop this thing. There is nothing will stop this thing. It could potentially move to sweep these highs and continue to TP4 and potentially move to the other parts like this high, right here, like that high, okay, and potentially sweep the other things too. Okay, this is a huge congestion right here, huge congested part. And the other things, look what this did. The lows have been swept. So you can see this is the lowest low it is in the entire chart, which means this could be the base. The start of the big move towards upward. Okay, so pound is getting very strong. It is very strong. As you can see, that's the scenario here was that I'm trying to tell you right here. So as you can see, I have projected to the upside, and TP1 you see some retracement. Even it on Bitcoin, I already showed you that at 52,000 there will be some pullback. I told you that there was a pullback, and that was another black box and another buy. Boom. And on its way again consolidated, and on the daily time frame you could draw the black box like this rectangle and wait for the breakout, and that happened, and the people that bought that thing have made a lot of profit. Oh, it's simple. It's crazy. It's crazy how this thing is powerful. It is so powerful. It is not even the same as supply and demand. So why? Look at this scenario. Let me show you this thing. Okay, when the price comes here that you are looking to sell, right? Using the supply and demand. So why? Because this is a huge supply zone, as you can see it. So you can extend this thing. As you can see, this was a buy, and when the price came sell, and this thing was supported, boom, this is a buy zone. and this thing broke below, then you said, but this thing broke below past your stop loss and came down again. What you gonna do now? You are you trying to sell? If you sell again, and again will be out. Finally came back down, and now you are looking to sell, sold. But look what happened. It is coming back to your stop loss, and you will be out in no time. And the black box never assumes this as the case. The black box is specific. It does not care about the previous swing highs. It does not care about the previous lows. It does not care about what happened in 1991. Nope. 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 That's not. That is not needed. That is not needed. All you gotta do is this: identify sideways movements, then place a black box, and then study the four models. Okay, see the price action, see the previous black box, what happened. Just like here, there was a black box, right? No doubt about it. 1 2 3, not this one, but 1 2 3 right there. Look what happened right there. 1 2 3. This is a stacked up sideways movement. The whole thing when you go to the higher time frames. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Stop loss is up there. No one cares. This thing includes everything. You sell right there when that thing breaks that. Boom. Smashed it. And this thing came back again. But what happened is your stop loss is down here now because you are in profit right there. Right? I mean, previously it went up, so which means you do not touch the stop loss. Your stop loss up there, never touch that thing, and that thing finally smashed to the downside, and that was not enough, and it came down to your TP2 and more. Steady another black. So look at this shit. This is another black box. Another black box is what do you see? Another black box. Another black. The black boxes are everywhere, bro. They are everywhere. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit right there. Look at it. It is crazy at the turning point, at the reversal point. It's specific, and it is a child's play. It is a child's play, bro. Who wouldn't know what the black box is? Look at this shit. Look. This thing is crazy. You'd assume that this thing has melted down a lot. Now it is gonna go up now. It is at the discount. Now it is going to the premium, to the upside. No, man, no. That is not what the market is doing. Just don't waste your brain cells. Don't, alright? Don't kill your brain cells, right? You don't have to predict the future. The black box has an advantage over the others. It has a huge advantage of making you peaceful. Okay, when you trade, you are peaceful. You are peaceful. Earlier today, what I did was it was crazy. Earlier today, I sold euro dollar, right? Euro dollar broke to the downside. I sold it right here. So what happened was it moved to a little profit, went down and down and down. And what it did was, I don't know, it could be some kind of news or something. It retraced back to the upside like crazy, like an FP or a CPI. When news are out, these things happen. And that thing retraced back to my stop loss. So what I did was I entered the buy again, bro. I entered the buy. And that thing moved like crazy. It moved like crazy. It moved like crazy. The first mistake I made was I didn't trail my stop. If I trail my stop loss, then that backfire, or when that um, price came back up to move to the upside, then I would protect my gains, right, my profits, even if it is a little money. And then I would enter again, and I would again profit for more because the third model moves like crazy. You'll see on the card and you will thank me later. Okay, so anyways, this is the projection riser. So when the bigger box is broken upside, so what will happen is like Bitcoin. What will happen is we would assume that it would reach where? Right there. That is 1.8889. 1.89 sharp. 1.890000. Save this video. Save this video and go watch it again after a year or something, and you will understand. You'll understand what I'm talking about here. And after TP1 has it, look what I did. It will retrace. It will retrace. You will see some kind of bearish candle, and then some kind of move impulse, and that impulse could send it higher to 2.0500, and possibly more to 2.1 and 2.2, 2.3. It could even move to 2.4 right there. Okay, this is a huge congestion zone. It's congested right there. Okay, so there will be some kind of swing action. Okay, that's what we are based. Black boxers want this. This is holy grail for black boxers. If this thing was not here in the price action, we would be dead. We would be long gone. I would not trade this shit. I would not trade the forex. I would never trade anything related to these futures or anything. But lucky for us, these things happen a lot. So that's a huge advantage that we have, right? So as you can see, this is a huge thing. Let's go to the weekly and let me show you. Look at this craziness. Look at this craziness, bro. Look at this craziness. So this thing by itself, to reach the upper highs, there is a lot of ways. I mean, a lot of miles to go. But as you can see, this is a huge move by itself. This is a weekly time frame, not 1 minute. It is not 1 minute. It's weekly time frame. This could take months to reach that upper band. So this is the first target, and the next target is where? Right there, up there. Then when this thing breaks above there, another buy. And what happens here is our first target will be where? Right there. And then finally our last target is right there. Okay, that is how the black boxers trade this pound card. If you see it on the weekly time frame, you could see that we have the third here. So you can see right there, 1 2 3, we have the black box. Then this thing trade down, sell that thing, this thing came back up, buy that thing again, boom, smash this upside right there. That's amazing, freaking amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. So next I will show you some other currencies. They are very interesting. They are very interesting. Very interesting. So please don't use it as a financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell this thing. It's just educational. Okay, do your own research and do whatever you want. It's your money. Don't get me involved in here. Okay, if you decide to do to buy this thing, just buy it. But I didn't told you, I didn't command you, I didn't force you to buy this thing. Okay, it is just how I analyze the market. This is just educational. Okay, and then add your own spice it up, and uh, do whatever you want. So we are bullish, we are buying, and I will update you in 2026 in April or something. Okay, after 1 year, 1.5 years, and you will see, it's crazy. So that is it for pound card, and next time I will show you the others like euro chef or some other currency pair. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye, black boxers. Keep backtesting, backtest, and you will see you will see that the Holy Grail is there. The Holy Grail is there. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.